this video, I am going to show you how to sign up and start using WhatsTap.com. Click on Get Started or Sign Up. Then fill in your details. Once filled, click on Sign Up. Log in with your username and password. Now, let us add your WhatsApp number by clicking on the WhatsApp icon in the sidebar. Click on Add Account. Then open your WhatsApp application in your mobile. Then scan the QR code. Once added, you will see an icon of your WhatsApp in the sidebar. Click on it to open the modules. This is the status module to see if your WhatsApp number is connected. This is the instant reply module. This is the contact and bulk messaging module. This is the chatbot module to create auto replies, and the export module where you can extract content. Now, I am going to show you how to create a chatbot in less than 10 minutes. Here you can enable or disable the chatbot, select whether to send to all, individuals or groups. Also whether to reply if the keyword is part of the message or the reply should contain the keyword only. Put a title or a short description. Now add the keywords that you want the chatbot to reply to. In this case let us put hello. Then type the message you want to respond when they send you the keyword. In this sample, we will try to offer 3 services, and then reply to them to confirm the service. You can add emojis, images or video to your replies. Once done, click on Save. Now, we are going to add our second message, when they type our keyword A1. Now, we are going to ask the customer to confirm, to close the sale and proceed with the order. Now, let us create the third message. Then, we will create the fourth message. We will now add an image to make the reply more attractive. Finally, we will add our confirmation message. Now, our chatbot is online and ready to go. Do not forget to turn on the chatbot, otherwise it will not work. Now, let us see the chatbot in action. Hope you like our demo. Now it's your turn to amaze your customers. Sign up for free today at WhatsTap.com. Thank you for watching.